And Aga thought, that ball is dead, but the ball was still in play, I think. Both party was not wrong in that time because I think Aga Salman tried to help him, and at the same time, Miras was very much into the game, and he thought, he can make a people run out. Miras, for last couple of days, we really worked hard. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I think we didn't bat well. We didn't start bowling well, but after that, we claw back. And then after that, I think that was a great performance in last 20 overs, 22 overs, I think. But obviously, credit goes to Pakistani bowlers. I think they bowl very well. So I think we just have to build a partnership. And obviously, weather played a huge role. If we could actually have a full game, it will be a different ball game then. It was so quick, actually. We even don't understand what happened there. I think Miras thought, he was outside and he was trying to stop the ball. I think ball went straight to Miras' legs. So, and same time, Aga Salman thought, he's trying to help Miras to pick that ball up and to give that ball to him. So I think there was, I don't know, to be honest, I thought, Miras it was just a natural instinct, to look out, to pick the ball and try to make him run out because he was outside the crease. So it was just very quickly happened. So I think both party was not wrong in that time because I think Aga Salman tried to help him, and at the same time Miras was very much into the game, and he thought, he can make a people run out. As I said, the ball was still in play. Ball was still in play. Aga was outside the crease. So what, as a bowler, when you're trying to pick that ball up, you're trying to make people run out. So Aga was quite far away from the crease. So Aga thought, the ball is dead. So maybe he didn't see that, the ball is outside. He's very, very much far. And the ball straight away hit the Miras' legs. So I think Miras thought, I can make him run out. He was not sure, what he's doing. So he was very much into the game. So I think as Miras didn't make any mistake, to be honest. I think he was disappointed, obviously. He thought, he's trying to help him, which is fair enough. But he was not sure how far he was. So as I said earlier on, it was both party was trying to be nice, but he was very competitive. Miras was bowling then very well then, and I think he trying to make him run out. And Aga thought, that ball is dead, but the ball was still in play. I think, as I said, exactly what I said. It was like Miras was exactly the same. He did whatever he can. I don't think so. It's just a matter of, we have to play very clinical, very professional and very, we got to remember our process longer periods of time, to be honest. If we can do that, I think Bangladesh got a very good batting side, to be honest, and they're very experienced. So I hope, inshallah, if they can apply themselves and read the condition and assess the condition and execute their plans according, and remember the process longer period of time, I think they can challenge any team. 50 overs is I always use that phrase, 50 over is a mini test cricket. So you got to change your game according to the situation of the game. So sometimes if the ball is swinging, you don't have to play lots of shots. If when you need to build partnerships. Sometimes some bowlers can bowl a very difficult line and length and they can challenge your, but when they're challenging you, you got to actually use your skills to beat his skills, basically. So I think we have to develop that and we have to learn quickly. And I think it's just a momentum, because the momentum you have to shift. As you said, as a batsman, what my experience says, you got to assess the condition, you assess the bowlers, and then according to change the game, according to the plans, basically. This game we have to forget. We have to quickly raise this game as much as we can and believe, make sure, we can win the series. Because I think your first game, you can see that when they play good cricket, when they execute their plans well and they believe in themselves, I believe that inshallah they can win the series. We can win the series. Miras, for last couple of days, we really worked hard. We had some drills, and I stopped him even 2 days ago. He wanted to go to bat. I said, no batting today, my dear. You just go to bowl long spell, and he understood that. And he bowled really long spell. So as an off spinner, you got to spin the ball and you got to have a overspin on those pitches. And I think credit goes to Miraz because he understood what my point was as a spin bowling coach. Because as many overs, as many ball he's going to bowl, he's going to be more effective and more confident. So I think credit goes to him. So overall, I think, he did very well. And you talk about South Africa, so that's why we preparing those kind of pitches. So you're going to get those kind of pitches in South Africa. So I think this is very important. Maybe it's going to challenge us, but at the end of the day, if you have a long-term planning, so sometimes you got to go through that kind of condition. So you have to get used to it, to playing those kind of pitches. So when you go to the World Cup, so your preparation should be there. I don't think so he played a safe because he's bowling so well. Last game he bowled very well. So when you in a good form, you don't protect yourself. I think maybe he was thinking, like as he said, he's in interview, like the ball may be swinging and seaming. So maybe he thought, the way of Maaz Sadakat played, he played very good actually. He played very positive cricket, but because ball was doing a bit, so he thought he's going to maybe get out sooner or later. So he trusted on his fast bowler rather than, like his own, bringing himself on. So in hindsight, like you always think, like, okay, he could bring himself and get him out. But I think overall, like he trusted in his bowlers. Sometimes plans work, sometimes doesn't. For both teams, like it will be same pitch. So if you have to complete yourself on an international highest level and you're competing for thinking about the World Cup, I think you got to understand the condition and situations. And then if you can adapt those condition and pitches, I think it will be a great confidence for the team point of view and the batting point of view and bowling point of view also. So having said that, you got to do the hard yards to become a good team. If you do that, and I think you can challenge any team then.